Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to add a predefined chatbot for a WordPress website. So to do that we will install a plugin named collect.chat. So let's get started. We need to go to the dashboard first, then scroll down, click on plugins, click on add new button, search for collect.chat. So this is the plugin that we need to install. Click on install now button and wait for it to install. After installing, let's activate it. So our plugin has been installed. This plugin may need you to create an account to their website, so it is a very easy task as I already created an account, so I don't want to show how to create an account now because it's very easy. But I will show how to connect the chatbot properly. So we need to go to a website. The link will be visible in the video. As you can see, the website has loaded. We need to create a new bot. Click on the new bot. So we will click a chatbot that has already been created. Let's change the avatar. Let's position it. Now publish. Then go to share and copy this code. Now we need to go to our dashboard again. Now scroll and click the collect.chat. Now paste the copied script here and save. Now let's go to our website and reload the website. As you can see, a chatbot has been integrated to our website. Now let's click on it. So we can see that these are some predefined texts and these are some replies by the client and these are some replies by our chatbot. So if we click OK, then it will show some text and it's asking for our name. Let's type a name. So as you can see, this chatbot is working perfectly. That's how we can install a chatbot into our WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video.